Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily record this screen with the internal audio using your Oukitel WP300. At first you need to scroll down to the control panel over here and search for this S capture. If you don't see the S capture, you need to prolong it, tap this pen icon, scroll down to this grayed out area and hold the finger on the S capture and drag it over here. Now tap the S capture and now, as you can see, we have the record screen. Tap record screen, and to record with the internal audio, tap here. Here the device audio and make sure that this is enabled. Tap this arrow, device audio enabled. Now tap start recording. As you can see, now we are recording our device as device screen and everything is done. To stop it, you need to just tap this recording icon. Goodbye!